birds flying high. You know how I feel. Sun in the sky. You know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by. You know how I feel. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. You know how I feel. Scent of the pine. You know how I feel. Oh, freedom is mine, and I know how I feel. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life. It's a new dawn. It's a new day, it's a new life, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling.
Kaya mo yan. Naawa ako. Kaya ka pa naman, di ba? Kahit mag-asawa kami, di ba? Mag-asawa ka na, nandiyan ka pa rin naman sa amin, di ba?
Lagi kong sinasabi kay Lord, thank you kasi parang ikaw yung reward ko sa lahat ng kabutihan na binibigay ko sa mundo.
Thank you kasi sa pagtanggap bilang groomsmen ko. Tapos yan, gumising kayo maaga para dito. Thank you, thank you, thank you!
This one's for Lede!
Hi, Dap-Dap. Around Manila lang ba ito? Yang linya na yan, yung dahilan bakit tayo pa rin magkasama hanggang ngayon. Hindi ko pa rin makalimutan ang araw una tayong nag-meet. Dahil sinabi ko sa sarili ko na hindi ko napapakawalan to. Thank you for standing up here with me today. Thank you for choosing this life with me. Ikaw ang dahilan ng mga ngiti ko. Ikaw ang aking inspirasyon. Katuwang sa lahat ng oras. Blessing sa buhay ko.
You are being invited by God through His church to enter into that world of joy, to the mystery of the married life. After all, this is a vocation being given to you. Wala sa akin. Ibang bukasyon ang binigay sa akin ng Diyos. Sa inyong dalawa anak, bukasyon ng pag-aasawa.
For just a chance to win your heart.
Hindi ko man nasasabi lagi, pero thank you sa pag-aalaga. For 27 years, wala na akong ibang masabi pa kundi salamat.
Anything you ask me to. Say you want the moon, watch me learn to fly. Ain't a mountain you could point to I wouldn't climb. It's crazy, but it's true. There's nothing I won't do. I'd risk it all for you.
kilala ko pa lang sa'yo. Alam ko na ikaw na. Parang kilala na kita ng matagal. Napakabuti mo sa akin. Lagi mo ako inaalagaan.
outside. Oh, I'll do anything, anything you ask me to.
Pinapangako ko na susuportahan kita sa inyong mga pangarap, lutuan ng mga paborito mong pagkain, alagaan at mamahalin habang buhay kasama ng ating magiging anak ngayon at kailanman, ikaw at ako. Love you, Dap Dap.
There's nothing I won't do. I'd risk it all for you.
I would like to quote from the certain author, and it says, "The biggest communication problem is that one does not listen to understand, one listens to reply," unquote. It is my hope that you, Mark Anthony and Daphne Ann, will listen to understand and not simply to respond.